All right, I'm here with Helen from A Frame of Art in San Marcos, California. And Helen, you are going to show me how to custom cut a mat.
We are, and I'm going to show you what great technology we have nowadays.
It's so cool. It's not just squares and rectangles anymore. We're doing a really cool shape, which if we go over here, come on, let's go. Okay, Helen, we're here at your handy dandy computer, and we laid out one of my favorite things in the world, Mickey.
That's
for
correct.
A custom mat. So you can do any size, design, shape. You can get really intricate with this thing.
We can. Whatever you can draw, we can cut.
Oh, really? Okay.
Almost.
Yeah, okay. Almost anything. Almost anything. But like here we have a Mickey head, and you actually mirror flip the Mickey. So we have two Mickeys and then two openings. They're 5x7. And you are going to show us on this giant mat cutter how this machine works.
How it actually works.
Okay, cool. Let's do this.
And go to cut.
Okay.
The mat's in there. We have it ready all to go.
Okay.
This is the bottom mat. It's a
Oh yeah, we're
mat.
doing a 2-layer mat, which is so cool.
So the first layer will just be the two openings.
Okay. So like, I mean, some people have die cut machines. This is a super massive electric mat cutter.
That's how you get perfect corners every time.
Hello. That is so cool. Okay, very cool, very cool. And then we are doing this as a double, 2 mats, a layered mat. And you can like really go for it with the layering.
Oh yeah.
It's so cool.
So now we're gonna do.
Hello, machine. Okay. Even his little nose. It's weirdly satisfying watching this machine work.
The tricky part is getting the things out before they
Fall.
get in the way.
Mickey, there you are. I know when you do intricate designs, it must be a little more like, gotta make sure, but it just
Everything
pops
comes out,
right
pops.
out.
Well, should.
Yeah,
We'll fix that one in a minute.
in theory, but yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Just sometimes you need a little bit of a razor blade to get the last little piece
A
off.
little help. Well, especially with the intricate designs.
Mm-hmm.
Where is it stuck? Right in the corner?
Oh, there.
Oh,
I
no,
didn't even
it's
need
not
it.
stuck.
Came out.
Okay.
Hey.
All right, let's go over and lay it out.
Sounds good. Now,
Okay, so we walked over and put this on the table.
here's our final layout.
Okay, and like the machine knows to cut it so that the inside window is smaller than the outside window, so you can actually see it, because then what would be the point?
Right, we can actually space it larger or smaller if
Oh,
we
that's
wanted
cool.
to.
Okay.
But it's just right now it's set at the standard
Yeah.
1/4 inch.
So you could actually, like, if you wanted his eyes to be, I don't know what color you'd want them to be, but if you didn't want them to be red, you can actually cut just the eyes out or
sure.
whatever. Like,
You
you
can
can
cut
really
it.
piece this guy together.
This is where you start having your creativity and
Yeah.
have fun and
Yeah.
and
Get those eyeballs on there.
wrap around
And then you still have the
the cutout,
inside.
right.
Yeah. So,
We do sometimes we'll do fun stuff with the insides of the
Yeah.
cutouts.
yeah. So cool. Okay. So we have some examples here. You can get really intricate with these little swirlies here. The bowling pins are so fun.
Bow tie.
The little bow, so cute. The year, which that's a couple years ago that you cut that one.
A long time, yeah.
We love Grandma. I love Mickey in gold. That is so cool. So you could literally put a photo here.
You
You
could
know?
really.
Yeah.
You don't have to put the eyes in.
Right. You can just make this like the frame itself and have the photo there. And then you can just lay out whatever design in whatever pattern you want. This one's really cool. I love that it's kind of like brick / I don't know what it
Kind
is.
of jagged edge.
Yeah, jagged edge. That's the word. And then this is like the Mac Daddy. Holy cow.
Right.
Like to have all that intricate design. It's like a frame itself.
It really is.
Yeah.
We put it on there. We put this one on some pop art. It looked really nice.
Oh, yeah. Very cool. So these are so fun. And I did not realize you could get this crazy with mat cutting
You can
on a
even
custom level.
cut the words like the Luann up there.
Yes, this was from a Charity Wings auction. Greg Evans gave us these, and then you guys framed them. So you can do words, you can do shapes, designs, and then a frame of art can frame. Like, I can't believe how many choices of frames there are. So that's so cool. Thank you for showing us that. That was really like
Elena.
different. This is something that we didn't know. So how it's
Amazing.
like that show How It's Made. You know, like
Exactly.
I just found out how you make these.
Technology can be wonderful. This
Yes,
is
it
where
can.
technology is fantastic.
Yay! Yay, technology. Thanks, Helen. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Elena.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.